Okay, hey, Megan, real quick. This piece right here, our online training gives you the chance to work. I'm not sure how this came about. I don't really think I need this. If I'm looking at CJ's, then I go word for word with mine. Support long businesses, good. Video, I got my video coming. The donation options look good. That is exactly what I wanted. But from here, it's a challenging time. This piece needs to be inserted. It's a challenging time for small business owners. We're here to prove that we can get stronger together. I want to add this piece, I guess, below the picture. Okay, you got that. Okay, never mind. But yeah, that would be it. So just removal of that is what I'm looking for. Let's remove this. That's all. Thank you.